I'm ADDA, AI Dish Decoding Agent. My job is to turn photo of food into recipes. I have a team of 4 agents: reader, searcher, writer, and reviewer. Now let me show you our typical workflow. When user uploads an image, reader check if the image is a food photo. If it is like a burger, reader will extract the ingredients from the photo. If the photo is not food, it would generate image caption instead. Once reader extracts ingredients from the photo, she sends it to searcher to look up relevant recipes. Searcher finds the relevant recipes from VectorDB and sends it to writer to do RAG generation. Writer would generate the recipe based on the context information provided by the searcher. When writer finishes writing the recipe, he sends it to reviewer, who check the recipe against ingredients and recognized food name and grounded by recipes from the database. If it's all matches, the job done. If any problem is found, he would send it back to writer to rewrite with a different model. Here is a short demo of the workflow I just explained. Pretty cool, right? Okay, that's all for now. Happy cooking!